The Tesla Model Y operates within a closed app ecosystem, differing from standard smartphones or tablets. It does not support third party app downloads from conventional app stores like Google Play or the App Store. Instead, it relies on pre installed features for navigation, media, and utilities that are part of the system's firmware. Features are updated wirelessly through over the air software updates, ensuring the latest capabilities without user intervention. For streaming, Tesla integrates native support for services like Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, YouTube TV, and Spotify directly in the Entertainment tab. Access requires account linking and works only when parked. Gaming is limited to pre-installed titles like Cuphead, Resident Evil Village, and BeamNG Drive, accessed via the Games tab and updated through OTA. Some games may require subscriptions for premium access. Web apps are accessible through Tesla's built-in Chromium-based browser, supporting HTML5 games, streaming sites, and productivity tools. The browser is disabled when driving at speeds over 5 miles per hour for safety. The system prioritizes security and vehicle performance over user customization, reducing malware risks but limiting personalization options. You cannot directly download apps onto your Tesla Model Y. Instead, access features through the vehicle's integrated systems. For streaming, navigate to the Entertainment tab on the touchscreen to access pre-integrated services. These include Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, YouTube TV, and Spotify, all accessible directly from the touchscreen. Games are limited to pre-installed titles, updated via over-the-air software updates. Web apps are accessible through the built-in Chromium browser, supporting HTML5 games and tools when the vehicle is stationary. This includes services like Steam Web for cloud gaming. While Tesla has enhanced its software, it prohibits sideloading or downloading apps from external sources to maintain security. Tesla's roadmap includes AI-driven app recommendations and augmented reality overlays for games.